All right, folks, here I go again with another gorgeous 2015 Chevy Impala with 75,000 miles. Original charcoal grid from factory. Former GSA vehicle from Sacramento, California. Yes, this is a California unit and there is no rust on her whatsoever. Folks, this vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape. She has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the country. Once again, original charcoal gray from factory. The paint does have very tiny little scratches. It does have two door dings, but once again, nothing big or major to worry about. Tinted windows from the department. On the rear shows what it appears to be dark shade. No tint on the front windows. Rear windows have been tinted only from the department, folks. All right. This vehicle was not a patrol unit. I do have one hole on the trunk lid where the actual antenna is. Once again, I put that in there just so that I wouldn't have an empty hole on the trunk lid. Don't worry, it's completely safe. There is no water or air leaking into the cabin. Beautiful 2015 Chevy Impala here. Limited edition police pursuit vehicle. I should have said that in the beginning, folks. Once again, this is gonna be the police pursuit vehicle, Chevy Impala 3.6 liter engine. Very, very good on gas, let me tell you. The paint looks great. She's still sharp and very shiny. All right, folks. Two door dings. That's all I was able to tell on this vehicle. Let me backtrack here. This was not a patrol vehicle whatsoever. Whatever it was, it might have been maybe an admin, detective unit driven, pretty much. Not abused, as you guys can see. I do have a clear lenses in the front. Everything does work. I do have a nice set of a Goodyear RSA tires on it that came with the vehicle, so thankfully I did not have to go out and find tires for this unit. Folks, I got to tell you, this unit right here it's just in about perfect condition. I love the way she looks, and I do love the way she drives. This is the actual antenna, guys. So once again, if you need to drive the car through an express car wash, the antenna will stay put. She's going to be solid. She's not going anywhere. I forgot to mention, this is going to be an E85 unit. E85, okay, no problem. We're going to go inside and show you what we got here, ladies and gentlemen. As you guys can see, I do have a mint interior. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Matching interior, carpeting floors with matching floor mats. Something that we don't get to see around here a lot. Production date on this vehicle was April of 2015. Once again, April of 2015 was the production date on this unit. Electric seat, electric passenger, electric front seats. I'm sorry, I'm getting stuck here. Electric front seat, driver's side and passenger side. Okay, once again, this is gonna be your police pursuit vehicle, so it doesn't have the floor shifter. The shifter is in the column. All right, guys, let's not get confused. Some of us get confused and we start asking questions. Okay, the carpet is in nice shape. It doesn't have any tears on her whatsoever, on the carpet whatsoever. Very, very nice vehicle here, ladies and gentlemen. Let me tell you, I love the way she looks, I love the way she drives, and I do love the color. One key fob, two keys. One key fob, two keys. Everything does work. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Very quiet, very smooth, folks, let me tell you. All pressure lights are off. Vehicle does have 75, you know what, let's just say 76,000 miles. I am gonna put some more miles on this vehicle. Gas is she's really good on gas, and as you guys know, California gas prices are high as heck, so this is gonna be my gas saver. Yay. How it works: cruise control does work, everything on the vehicle does work. Nice and cold air conditioner. Stereo does work. Okay, YouTube, I do not own the rights of the song. Stereo does work. You do have the auxiliary connection. It does have CD player. Super cold air conditioner. I already said that. Map lights do work. They're actually here, so they do work. Here goes the second one, so they do work. Courtesy lights are on, so when the doors are open, the light does come on. All right. Am I forgetting anything else? No. One little hole here on the dash trim. This is probably where, and another 2 little holes on the side here. This is probably where they put the microphone hanger and they just run the wire right through here. That's probably what these 3 little holes are for sure. Okay. And one more little hole here on the pillar. I'm not sure what this could have been, but I'm leaving it alone. This is the trunk, nice and spacious. As you guys can see, some cutouts were made on the carpet. That's where they put their control boxes or modules for the lights and siren, whatever the vehicle was equipped with. It does have a donut spare tire in place with floor jack in place. Folks, I'm gonna go to the LKQ pick your parts here, maybe on the weekend, and I'm gonna see if I can get you a better looking cover. Okay, I don't like the way these look, but I'm presenting the car the way it is, but 99.9% I'm changing this floor cover here. Okay, just so you know. And there's a cutout in the carpet over there as well. Again, that's probably where they had their equipment installed, and they just cut right through the carpet there. All right, let's continue. Steel wheels underneath the hubcaps are in just about new conditions, nice and shiny still. So you do have the steel wheels underneath, nice and shiny. I love it. I love it. I love it. One hand here. Okay, we're gonna go through the services real quick, starting right to left. I do have a new air filter. Throttle body was servicing clean out. I do have 6 AC Delco Iridium spark plugs, full synthetic 530 oil service. Transmission was also serviced, and we did use 6 quarts of Mercon. Correction, it was Dextron 6 for the GM models. I do have a new battery. The vehicle did have a bad battery upon arrival. Air conditioner is nice and cold. I already said that. Dry belt tensioner are in good shape, so I didn't have to replace anything there. Brakes, they were about 70% all around, folks, so I didn't have to replace any brakes on her whatsoever. Once again, this is going to be the 3.6 liter engine. Let me go ahead and go quiet here for a quick second so you can hear the engine, okay? Alright folks, before I forget, the vehicle does have a brand new cabin filter as well. It's located underneath that little panel, so you have to go in it through the outside, okay? It's not behind the glove box. One last final look at this beautiful 2015 Chevy Impala with 76,000 miles, 3.6 liter engine. Great looking car, folks. If you're in the market for a vehicle that looks great, saves you gas to get to point A through C, this is it right here. This is going to be the Chevy Impala 3.6 police pursuit vehicle. Police pursuit vehicle here once again. I'm making sure that everything is clear here so that we understand what we're looking at. I know this is the type of vehicle that I don't buy every day, but when I do, she has to be perfect. She has to be perfect. and this one is perfect in every way. So if you are interested in buying this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call, email me, text me. Let's go ahead and talk about it, see what type of arrangement or deals we can come to an agreement with, and hopefully I can help you get behind the wheel on this beautiful looking Impala. Alright folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers. Once again, I'd like to thank you for staying with me for this 10-11 minutes. I know your time is valuable, so here she is, folks. Any questions, please just call me. Alright, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have yourself a blessed evening over there, and God bless and take care.